If you want to take your trading to the next level, make sure to check out our free trader transformation program on Edgewonk. We're going to pick a handful of traders, and for the next 6 months, we're going to work with them on a monthly basis, one-on-one together. So it works like this. You submit your Edgewonk trading journal. We're going to make sure it fits our program requirements. And then after that, if you've been accepted into the program, we're going to do a monthly review together on a Zoom call. We're going through all of your trading data. We're going to identify your strengths, your weaknesses, make sense of your data, and we're going to check in with you month after month. During the calls, you'll get personalized support and personalized feedback as well on your trades and your trading data and your trading performance. Each month, we're going to set new impulses together based on our findings in your trading journal and based on your actual trading data. We're going to identify a clear, personalized plan that will help you make targeted adjustments to your trading and hopefully that way drive significant progress month after month. So it's really simple. Go to edgewonk.com/transformation. The link is also in the video description. Submit your application. Make sure to tell us a little bit about yourself, about your trading journey, and also tell us the name of your Edgewonk trading journal so that we can take a look at it. Once you've been accepted into the program, we're going to jump on to a Zoom call together and we're going to analyze your trading journal together. We will look for your strengths and your weaknesses in your trading data, and we're going to identify areas for improvement. During the first call, we are already identifying the first goal for your trading for the next 4 weeks. We're going to identify the most important goal for your trading at the moment to make sure you have meaningful progress. And then after that, each month, we're going to do a follow-up call with you on a one-to-one basis. We're going to review your new trades, go over your trading data, and see how you've been doing on your progress. Each month, again, we're going to set new impulses, define a new goal to make sure you keep growing and keep adjusting your trading approach over time. And then by the end of the 6th month, you hopefully have realized a huge trader transformation. Of course, we cannot make any promises here what you will achieve specifically, but the goal is to help you refine your trading strategies so that you can trade with more confidence and more clarity. And you will also have acquired the knowledge and the tools that will help you move forward in your trading on your own. So go over to edgewonk.com/transformation, make sure to read the program requirements, then send in your application, and we look forward to hearing from you.